Let's see how Amazon Manager application works. So this application uses two npm packages, MySQL and inquirer. So basically what it does, when we run node Amazon Manager, we see a list of menu items which are populated by inquirer. We see products for sale, we can see low inventory, we can add inventory, and we can add a new product through validating existing departments. I'll show it in later. So these are other answers to this application. So let's see how it works. First of all, let's have a look at the code itself. The code requires MySQL and inquirer. Also, it requires inquirer confirm, but for this sake, I'll delete this require. So this is the code, which you can see at the description of the video in GitHub. Quite a lot, 200 lines. Let's see how it works. So, what would you like to do, manager? Good. Let's see products for sale. So these are the products for sale, which are populated from MySQL table. MySQL table is here. These are the products for sale. Then we can view low inventory. So let's view low inventory. So how many items do we want to see? 200. Yeah. So we see now the inventory which has less than 200 quantity for each unit. Let's update inventory now. Update inventory. So which inventory we would like to update? Probably ID1, quantity 150. Okay, let's update. ID1, which is headphones. How many items would the inventory should be now? Let's do 200. Boom! One stock quantity updated. Let's see the MySQL. MySQL, let's close it. Let's update database, products, and ID1 now has 200 units in stock. Let's continue. Now let's add a new product. Before adding the new product, the app populates existing departments where we could add our product. It is done quite interestingly because we create this function view departments, creating array first and then make inquiry to the MySQL table departments, which is this one, departments. I created it before. Then it returns a new promise, and then we are using for each method to push to the array every department name. Then we go to inquirer, which is inquirer prompt, choose department, and we use an async function to view departments, existing departments. So let's continue. So which department do we want to use? Let's do dieting. What product name would we like to add? Let's do protein. What's the price? Let's do $35. What's the stock quantity? Let's do 111. What are the sales? So sales maybe $1,000. So one product added. Let's go to MySQL, update products, database, and see the products. So we see now protein, $35 price, stock quantity 111 and 1000 product sales. The application works, and have a good day everyone.